Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
You're supposed to do that. Fucking worked for my entire childhood. I'm gonna keep doing
I'm not supposed to do it, then why'd they make it so easy to blow in?
Yeah, why does it work so well?
So we're here in Hachimantai, Iwate Prefecture.
Iwate Prefecture is a prefecture of Japan located in the Tohoku region of Honshu.
We're about to hit some of the gnarliest slopes I think I've ever hit. This looks like an awesome trail. I'm really excited for it. I'll definitely come back here again, I can already tell. I haven't even touched the powder yet. But yeah, we're about to hit the slopes and we'll give you some updates, and my friend Jay here is going to give you some live action footage as he goes down. And we have our friend Vargas here. He's also going to be getting some nice footage. And then foliage is my friend Jet Rogers says sometimes. And yeah, can't wait to see you guys again. Enjoy. Maybe I was just watching that video the other day. Ready to shred the gnar, bros. If you're looking at this,
boys.
27-7, hopefully America's not in crumbles.
Turmoil of the United States government.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Oh, you're gonna melt the mountain, dude.
All right.
Send it. Good recovery. Oh, a secondary recovery. Yo! This is a documentary about you. Nice. Extra money season. What? Booty pitch. Woo!
Look at how right to.
Excellent first run.
You're good. That's the double black we saw. That's the black we saw coming up. That's the hill I pointed out on the way up. We'll just stick to the right. Just go right.